Hi, I'm Sam Villa, Redken Global Artistic Ambassador. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a triangle ponytail using triple dry 15 and triple take 32. Triple dry 15 is a dry texture finishing spray that gives you airy, touchable hold and a barely there feel. It leaves a dry finish with absolutely no residue. I'm going to work with it in a triangle section in the top. Once we have this triangle section, we're going to take our triple dry 15. We're going to take a finishing brush. Now I simply let the weight of the brush collapse and move the hair back. Vertical on top, collapse and moves the hair back. And you can just see the airiness that I get out of that. Notice with my triple dry 15 how workable it is. It's what I love about the texturing line. It has multitask uses. Now just continue to twist the section. Once you have your twist, I want you to take your grip. You have the toe is kicked up, catch, come back in, and flat right up into that so that that stays right there. We're gonna take our tail comb. So I'm gonna come just behind the ear, taking a curved section. Now we're going to over direct. Now lay the comb flat, back to a vertical. This is just giving me a small, airy cushion inside. Taking the triple dry 15, spray with the grain. Once again, twist. Take your small grip, vertical into the twist. We take another half circle on the right side and repeat the same procedure. Now, once we have those three sections, take all of the ponytail and the hair that you gathered, fold this up and clip it away. Take the excess hair that you have on the side. We're gonna fold right underneath the ponytail, working with triple dry 15. And now twist. Taking a pin, now opposite side, and now twist again. Now release the ponytail, take two sections, and now just fold over that. Take another section, fold over that one. Just overlapping from one hand to the other. We're just doing a simple fishtail to finish it. Now we're gonna finish this off with an elastic, and now simply taking a grip, and now fold back inside. Now I'm going to finish it off with triple take 32. This will lock it in without that crunch for a 24-hour hold. And there you have it, my friends, a simple finished upstyle with products that help you to elevate the look. Love to learn? Be sure to follow @Redken on Instagram for even more education.